Okay, in this video we want to progress a little forward, jump ahead a year or two or a few years in your trading, and just see what the potential is for earning. Now in the last video we showed you our simple trades with just 1 and 2 contract trades. Now let's jump ahead and say that you've graduated up to where now you're using 10 contracts. And again, we have a downtrending market here, so let's just jump in with 10 contracts. Same formula we used before. We're just using more contracts now. So we got in right here. We're going to go up here and stick to our formula, and if it gets all the way back up here, we're going to enter back in with another 10 contracts. Remember, we did that on the first video with 1. Started with 1. If it went all the way back up here, we got back in with 1 more. So it's the same thing. It's just we're short now, which means we're counting on the market to drop. We've got 10 contracts open, and the minus sign and the red box indicate that we're short on this position. And so let's just see what develops here. Again, you can't see our chart, but you can see the software that we're trading with. Okay, we got filled there. Now we're open with 20 contracts. And now if this were to drop just a little bit here, on this trade we've got our bracketed order in here, which means we have a stop behind our trade and we have a target out in front of our trade. So it looks like it's setting up for a bit of a drop here. Let's just see what happens. Okay, we're dropping now. Well, now it's just kind of hanging there. You can see here our profit or loss on the trade, and then over here will be our cumulative profit or loss for the day. So let's just see what happens here. Okay, there's a nice little drop. Now what we're going to do, just like we did before, we're going to probably get out sometimes with this flatten button. Sometimes we'll just let it come down and hit this target and pull us out. Now, I don't know if it's going to make it all the way down on this run, but let's just take that profit. And as soon as we did, it kept dropping. But you notice, one little trade now, $900. So let's get back in. We're going to go back in with 10. We're going to do a sell market. There's our entry point right there. We're going to go back up here and put in another order for 10. If it gets all the way back up there, we're going to enter with another 10 contracts. Okay, now it's dropping. A little bit of profit here. We've got 10 open, as you can see, so that's $50 per tick or per point. Again, we're trading the mini Dow. And let's just see, oh, that thing wants to tank, doesn't it? You'll come to really appreciate the downtrending markets. They really can be wonderful, where a lot of investors are upset about it. We like it. Okay, it went all the way down, so we got 20 points on that trade. Let's see, that's going to be $1,000. $50 a point times 20, $1,000. So you see our cumulative now is $1,900. So now we need to cancel this order. It hit our target, so it canceled our stop. We'll show you about bracketed orders, but let's just get back in now. With 10 again, we're going to do a sell market. We're back in right here. If it back ticks all the way up to right here, we're going to get back in with 10 more, so that'd be a total of 20. So let's just see what happens with our trade here. Again, it's big money. The trades are a little larger trades, but see, by the time you get to this point, you've been trading 1 and 2 and 4 contract trades for so long that your account is built up. I say long, it really wouldn't take that long. It just depends, you know, how disciplined you are. And you know what? You may never want to get up to 10 contracts. It's not for everybody, but some people may want to, and we just wanted to show you what the potential is, what you can do with this thing. And still 10 is not a lot of contracts. You got people out there and institutional traders and very wealthy individuals that trade 100 and even 1,000 contracts. So 10 is not really pushing the envelope, but we wanted to show you what is possible here. Okay. Seems like it's kind of hem-hawing around there, doesn't it? If it goes all the way back up here, we're going to get in with 10 more. But our chart that you can't see, again, is showing us that this downtrend could continue right here. And if we fall through these numbers right here, you notice over here, this is how low we've gone so far, although the low of the day, which shows right here, is 12,061. So it has been lower than this today. And it's been generally a downtrending day. So let's just see what happens here. But, you know, this can get very exciting very quickly here. Okay, there's a drop. Now let's see if we drop on down. We'll just take the profit. Drop on down. Okay, now it's really dropped. We pause it there for a moment and you see let's just take that. Okay. So what did we make? We made 500 on that one. So 3 quick little trades, and look at what the potential is here. $2,400. And just not very much time at all. Not even 20 minutes here that it took me to make those 3 trades. So we just wanted to show you that the future for ones that learn this skill there's no end. You can write your own ticket basically. You just need to learn the simple strategy that we have for making big money with small trades. Have a great day, and thanks for listening.